I told you about the transpiration pull method, which is created from the top. Next theory, we call it as the root pressure theory. Okay, I told you just now. Now see, these are the soil particles, and this soil has got lot of ions in it, and these ions, one mechanism is here that these ions are being actively absorbed by the root hair. And when these ions, when they are actively absorbed, this is a root hair being actively absorbed by the root hair, what happens to the concentration in the root hair? Suppose this is A, the concentration of the solute over here is going to increase. Naturally, if the concentration over here is going to increase, this will lead into what? Into the process of osmosis, which you have done it in your previous classes, that the water, now the concentration over here increases. That means the medium becomes hypertonic over here compared to the area around it, because it is actively taking up ions. So now what happens? The water starts moving in, because now the water is more over here and less over here. So osmosis will start, that is the movement of water from its higher concentration towards its lower concentration. And then this water level is more over here and it is less in this B area. So naturally it will move from here to here. And if I'll write C over here, this cell of the cortex, naturally the water is more over here and less. Again osmosis is going to take place from B to C. So this is what is the rising of the water column, and the push is being created from the roots. So this pressure we call it as the root pressure theory. Something is being pushed from the lower side, and this is helping in the movement of the water gradually from one cell to the other cell.